Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can access and use the Gantt view or chart for your to-do lists and tasks on ClickUp. So let us get started right away. Head over to your account on ClickUp, log into your account and select the workspace in the top left. And after that, select one of your workspaces. So let me go with that, team space here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is go through that list of tabs here at the top, like the overview tab, the board list calendar, and also you will see that view here, the Gantt view. And that's basically it. You may simply enable it by left clicking on it. And you may, for example, delete the view if you like, duplicate it, rename it, add to favorites, customize it, and so on and so forth. And below you will see all to-do lists and the associated tasks and forms and all the items associated to your team space in the Gantt view listed below. Like for example, you may expand these lists by clicking on that arrow down icon here, and you will see, for instance, all tasks of the given list. You may, for instance, also add or create a subtask to the given task, rename the given task, or move these items here inside your Gantt view by clicking on that handle on the left hand side and change their positions. And that's basically it. You may also add new tasks, for instance, to add them to these locations and see all of them through the Gantt view. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.